Hi, my name is Jason. I'm from Airdrie, Alberta, and I tested the Miele C1 Classic Canister Vacuum. It's a very sleek design. It has two stowaway positions. One you can clip onto the back like this, tuck it in any closet really. The other way you can fold it down, and there's a little clip on the back. Just clip it here, and you can store it wherever you need to. It's very convenient that way. The vacuum itself is very powerful. It's a pretty sleek design. Here's the bag and the two filters. In the front here, you have your power button, your retractable cord button. You have a minimum and a maximum suction, depending on what you're vacuuming. The attachments clip on the top here that you can take them off if you don't want them there, and you can put them on the top as well. The cord here just comes out very easily. Plug it in quickly to show. And here's the on button. That's on minimum, and you can go all the way to maximum. Very powerful. The head itself has a hardwood and then a carpet mode. This is easily retractable if you're just doing stairs and you don't want to reach. And once you're done vacuuming, just unplug, press the retractable cord, and just store it away. And thank you. Appreciate it. I would recommend this vacuum to any family or friend. The design is excellent, and the vacuum itself is very powerful.